Hi everyone, it's Mike here. So don't forget to click that subscribe and bell icon to receive a notification each time I upload a new video. So Mr. Bentley's got a little infection in his staples, so the vet recommended us
a t-shirt.
to put a t-shirt on to stop him from licking it. Look at that face. It's like, no.
Either that or it's the cone of shame.
Yes, the lampshade of shame.
And he won't wear that, he's terrified of those. Come on.
But hopefully this will stop him licking the staples and also prevent any further infection. But we've got some antibiotics, haven't we?
We have.
It's Tuesday afternoon. I think it's the 3rd of September. I've had a very kind of busy day today. It's been an admin day today, so I've been trying to sort out my accounts and get paperwork in order, and I've had to create purchase orders and all sorts of stuff. And I've also filmed a Happy Meal video, which you'll have seen last week, and also I've done the vlog for last week, which you'll see last week because this is for next week's. Oh, it's all very complicated. So literally, I've had no time for anything else today, apart from, like I said, admin work and filming, doing a few bits and pieces, and taking Mr. Bentley out for a walk. We've just literally been out, because Ian's still recovering with his leg. He went to the doctors on Saturday. Not Saturday, he went to the doctors on yesterday morning, I think, yesterday. And the doctors said that it's not a fracture, it is just bruising, internal bruising, and he's prescribed him some non-steroidal anti-inflammatory tablets, some very, very strong non-steroidal anti-inflammatories. Naproxen, I think it's called, and it seems to be doing the job, but it's also told him to rest it. So I've been taking Mr. Bentley out for his WALK for the past few days, but not to the PARK, because Mr. Bentley's also recovering from his little altercation in the park, and his stitches are still there, or his staple stitches still haven't come out. They don't come out until Thursday, or we'll go back to the vets on Thursday. So it's been a pretty busy day, but I've still had time to cook a full roast chicken for tonight's dinner. Don't really want to do the full trimmings. I don't want to do roast potatoes and Yorkshire puddings and vegetables and that kind of stuff with it. I've cooked the chicken. We're probably going to strip it down, take the breasts and the wings and the legs off, strip the meat off, and then do something with the meat. Not really sure what yet, but chicken's very versatile. You can add it to a salad, you can add it to noodles, you can add it to rice, you can add it to whatever you like. There's pots of curry sauce and stuff in the cupboards that I can make a quick chicken curry with. So I thought I would do it because it's extremely versatile, and it depends on how we feel later, what mood we're in, as to what I actually do with it. And that's been my Tuesday. How's yours been? It's Wednesday, September the 4th, and it's 9 AM. So things are kind of getting back to normal routine. I'm going through to Mum and Dad's. I'm going to pick Mum up, bring her back to our house, where Mum is going to avail herself of the shower facilities because hers isn't quite finished yet. Then we're going shopping. Then I'm going to take her home and then help Dad. Once we're back at Mum and Dad's, I'm going to help Dad fit the glass shower screen, which should be the last step. So from that point on, Mum will have a, fingers crossed, a fully functioning shower cum wet room. So today's going to be a fairly busy-ish day. And of course, today's the day when all the local children go back to school, so traffic suddenly got worse. call a proper little lunch out. Num nums. Yes, demonstrate. So, glass is now up, all on. So it's just now the finessing, just finishing a little bit of the grouting, and all done. Pleased?
Yes.
So there you go. As I said earlier, shopping done. Mum's happy. She's got all the shopping done. Dad's happy because we've got the shower screen and the glass all now in. So all that's left for him to sort out is just the pure cosmetic stuff of a little bit of redecorating and just putting the shower, screwing the shower back to the wall. And that's it, they can start using it. So he reckons he'll have it all done by tomorrow. So happy bunny dad, happy bunny mum. And it's stopped raining and the sun's come out. What more could you ask for? So it's a Thursday morning and it's just gone 10:30. We're back, as you can see, at the vet's. Just having the checkup on his staples. As you can see, he has pulled a little bit, but they're okay. Vet's pretty happy with them. And we have been given an inflatable collar for him to wear to stop him from licking when we're not in the room or in the middle of the night when he seems to do most of it. So yeah, not too bad at all. So very, very happy with his progress. So we've got another 5 days before these staples can come out, and then we're back to normal, hopefully anyway. Well, somebody's obviously feeling better today. Look at that. Early morning cuddles with Daddy.
I came in and he was with his eyes, it was stuck up like that. Now he looks like a kangaroo, look.
Look at that face. I know.
Oh.
You little monkey. You're still half asleep, aren't you? Yeah. Big soft nana.
Lovely. Beautiful. Oh, those lovely teeth.
It's Saturday morning, the 7th of September. That sun's bright today. That might be a little bit better. You can see me properly now without bleaching out. Let's start that again. It's Saturday morning, the 7th of September. And Ian and I, Mr. Bentley, are going back through to Leeds. We've got a couple of errands to do. We've got to meet up with a friend of ours called Jane. And she just happens to be at Art from the Heart. So because I haven't been for a while, we're all going through. We're going to have some lunch as well as do a few little minor errands in Leeds. So it's going to be a busy-ish day today. So what have you ordered for your lunch?
I'm having a pizza, pepperoni pizza, and some fries. Mm-hmm. And I haven't seen the dessert menu yet, but that's on the card. Yes.
And I've ordered the chicken and pesto calzone. And fries, which I'm looking forward to extremely. I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.